Hello? Okay, it's working. How did you get up here? Oh my god. Okay, finally. Okay, finally. Finally, I just want a spot to record. No. Leave me alone, Salem. Leave me alone. Finally. Okay, so here's something that I need to tell you guys that's important, like really in my heart. I'm not going to get to make a Mario Kid video until November 21st, 2016. Here's the reason why. Remember that Mario Kid video where I said, hey guys, I'm going to try Sim 12 coming up on today. It wouldn't work. But now, here you go. Whoa. Okay, so I'm getting my own on my birthday, and then Christmas, I'm getting the train set. Yeah. Gonna be so fun. Shout out to Amazon, cause 10 months ago, actually, when I was in kindergarten, but now I'm in the second grade. Second grade, yo, I'm in the second grade, yo. It's really hard, cause we have to do spelling words every Friday, and also we have to do math every morning. Should we do math after lunch? Because that's what we need to do in first grade. Who cares? Let's just do math in the morning. But except it's the weekends. But go shout out to Amazon, because when I was in kindergarten, when I was in first grade, actually, in first grade, I was searching some train sets. In first grade, I never had a YouTube channel, so don't worry about that. But what's going on? So there was a train set from Train Simulator 12. I didn't want to get it because it was a lot of money, and also it wasn't very awesome. The reason why is, it was cool, it was just that, blah, 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 like, the controller was really weird. You had to turn it. But the train set I'm getting now is going to be turned, but except it's more like a detailed London one. But the train was a commuter train, and I don't really like commuter trains anymore in this state. I don't like Amtrak's. The only train I like is London trains. The Harry Potter movie that had the train. That's pretty much how I liked London trains. When I first watched Harry Potter and I saw the London train, I was like, I love London trains. So that's pretty much how I got into London trains. Also, London diesel trains and London commuter trains. That's awesome. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.